Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how your favorite video game knows what level to give you next? Or how your parents' phone can understand what they're saying? The magic behind all of that is something super cool called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. So, what is it? Imagine you have a brand new puppy. At first, it doesn't know any tricks, but you teach it to sit, stay, and fetch by showing it over and over and giving it a treat when it gets it right. After a while, your puppy learns. AI is kind of like that, but for computers and robots. We teach them by giving them lots of information, like pictures, words, and numbers. This is called training. Think about a smart speaker in your home. When you ask it, "What's the weather like?" it has learned to understand your words and find the answer for you. It's not actually thinking like a person, but it's using what it has learned to figure out what you want. That's AI in action. It's like having a super smart helper that has studied a giant library of information. AI is all around us, helping in amazing ways. It helps doctors find illnesses faster. It helps cars drive themselves safely, and it even helps artists create amazing music and pictures. It's like a tool that helps humans solve big problems and create new, exciting things. AI is learning and getting smarter every single day, just like you are. Who knows what incredible things it will help us do in the future? Thanks so much for exploring the world of AI with me today. If you thought this was cool and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.